too much.
Here, the turtle is an arrowhead.
It's often still called a turtle, in reference to its origins, and that's also how the Python module got its name. After playing around for a little while, I was able to produce this simple tree line drawing. And then I started to imagine how cool it would look if it were animated. By default, the turtle module animates lines being drawn. You can make it draw faster or slower within some limits. You can also turn off this automatic drawing animation by calling tracer 0. Then you can issue multiple drawing commands and manually update the canvas once a complete frame is drawn. But by their nature, these two forms of animation are mutually exclusive. The first kind of animation is simple and requires no additional code. The second kind of animation requires some more code, but offers more flexibility. The solution I eventually came to uses both kinds of animation. My first unsuccessful attempt was to just do a screen capture of the tree being drawn, the first kind of animation. But I don't like how this looks. Even when I captured each section of the tree individually and then layered them together, it still didn't look quite right to me.